Here at Blue Sky Innovations, we leverage virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence to find new ways to engage audiences. And we were able to partner with Lenovo to create human-centered innovation to solve problems that leverage technology focused on the human that uses it. Part of my job as a technology professor is to figure out what is the future, where are things going. Right now, a lot of that is in the metaverse. Social VR. Today, most of what you're seeing is cartoon avatars. But being able to be your own image and likeness has great value in virtual reality. We're trying to get us there so that when I'm in a headset, I feel fully immersed. We're here in the Reese Lab where we have a volumetric capture studio. This allows me to be my own image and likeness in the metaverse while standing right here in this space.
The way we're doing volumetric capture at Blue Sky Innovations is a lot different than how it's done in the industry. There's usually 100 to 200 cameras with green screens everywhere. The actors would have to wear motion capture suits. At our lab, we only have 4 cameras using AI to simulate what 200 cameras would see.
And what you're seeing behind me is a point cloud. It's a visualization of what these cameras are seeing. We take that information and we process that through the Think Center Nanos, which are really designed for doing machine learning algorithms to help us work faster and more efficiently.
It requires an extensive amount of computing power. We can rely on Lenovo's Think System servers at the AI Innovation Center.
Really, we're trying to, at the end of the day, reduce the friction for people to adopt AI. We have a lot of infrastructure purpose-built for AI workloads, and we're able to support them end-to-end from the desktop to the data center.
Robotics and automation will be a big part of the future. And we want those physical robots to become more intelligent, to make better decisions.
How do you find solution to the problems to which there are no simple solutions? We have a robotic arm, and I'm trying to make it more autonomous with AI. Not just that, but also to understand how the humans are gonna interact with it in a daily basis. Working with Lenovo workstations, AI technologies, and their servers, you can do your experiments very quickly in the cloud, and I'm so happy I'm currently working with that. It has made my life so much easier.
Our innovation lab and Lenovo have a common mission. We need really smart technology, and we need to make it available to everyone. Lenovo gets that.
What Blue Sky is working on today is going to help businesses realize the power of the metaverse so it becomes tangible to them, something that they can realize real business value from.
Can we create something that no one's ever done before? Can we leverage storytelling with this new technology to solve humanity's greatest challenges?